Hello guys. Today we're going to start with our warm-up. We're going to count to 75, but on each new 10, as we put up another 10 finger, I want you to jump, okay? We're going to jump up. So are you ready? And then we'll sit back down for the rest of that 10, and then we'll jump up on the next 10. Here we go. Count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good job. Okay. I'm going to write a number, and then I'm going to tell you if we're going to count up from that number or count down from that number. Okay? So if I write a 6, okay, and I want you to count up. You're going to start with 6 and count up to 10. You ready? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I started at a 6 and said count down, you would say 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, let's try a couple more. I want you to count out loud with me. Okay. The next one's the number 3. Let's count up first. Start here. Say 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's start at 3 and count down. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, let's try one more. Let me write another number on here. Okay. This time I'm going to write the number 8. Okay. So we're going to start at 8 and go up. So 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I'm going to start at 8 and go down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice counting. All right. Let me put this away. We're going to talk about bigger, more, and fewer again, more or less, okay? And I want you to think for a second, which numbers between 1 and 10 are bigger than 8? We just counted to 8. Think about the numbers that we had to say after 8 when we were counting up. You think back. We just counted that. Okay. Which numbers are bigger than 8? So if I started at 8, 9, 10. So 9 and 10 are bigger than 8. how could you show me that? We used cubes the last lesson to show me things. So I brought the cubes back today. Get some more out here. We're gonna need some more. Add some things to these, okay? I'm gonna try to get some colors to add in that maybe we haven't used yet. Don't know if I've got colors we haven't used, but we'll try to make it pretty. Okay, so let's count and see how many cubes I have. I hopefully made a stack of 8, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's 8. How can I show you that 9 and 10 are more? Okay. Yeah, I could build a tower of 9 or a tower of 10. Good thinking. Okay. So let's see. I set my tower of 8 down for a minute so I can count these and see how many is on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we think 9 is going to be more. So if I put my 8 tower and my 9 tower together, is my 9 tower taller than my 8 tower? Yes, it is. So 9 is more than 8. And we thought that 10 was also. So if I take my 9 tower and I put 1 more on it, that's going to make it a 10 tower. Is 10 more than 8? 10 more than 8? Yeah, 10 is more than 8 as well. That's a good way to show me. Okay. I want you to grab, we will use the back of your 10 frame like we did last lesson. And I want you to draw, you don't have to write the words less than if you don't want to. You can draw a 4 and an arrow going that way, if you would rather do that. And then next to it, you can just write the numbers 5 to 8. And down here, we're going to say 8 and an arrow going that way. These words right here say numbers between 5 and 8. So that's going to be important. And then you want to draw lines down so your chart looks kind of like my chart on the back of your 10 frame. Okay. If you need to pause to do that, feel free. Okay, so I have taken all the numbers 1 to 10 and put them in this sack. And we're going to decide which one of these 3 spots that number should get written into. So when I pull a number out, we're going to read that number and then decide which column I need to write that number down in. And we're going to do that for all numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so let's see what our first number is. It's a 4. Is it going to be 4 or smaller? Yeah, that one's going to go right here. So I'm going to write a 4. And on the back of your 10 frame, when you made this column, I want you to write a 4. Okay, I'm going to reach into my bag. See what I pull out this time. Ooh, this time I drew a 6. Where does 6 go? Is 6 here? 4 or smaller? No. Is 6 between 5 and 8? After I say 5, but before I say 8 when I'm counting, does 6 come in there? Yes. So I'm going to write 6. But between 5 and 8. Okay, let me draw another one. This time I got a 3. Where does 3 go? It goes down here, doesn't it? I'm going to have to scoot those over. I think you're not going to be able to see them in a minute. Let me scoot that 3 and the 4 over a little closer this way, so you're going to be able to see them, all of the numbers, hopefully, when we get them up there and where they go. This time, I drew the number 10. 10, I know, is the biggest number, so it's got to be more than 8. Okay, so I'm going to put 10 right there. Okay, oh, I think I'm off your camera again. Let me scoot it over a little bit. There you go. Now you can see my 10. Okay, here's my next number. 9. Number 9. Is it 4 or less? Is it between 5 and 8? No. Is it 8 or bigger? Yes. So a 9 goes right there. Okay. You draw another one. Okay. This time I have a 7. Where does 7 go? Yeah. It goes right here, doesn't it? 7. You should be writing all these numbers on your chart at home. Okay. This time I drew a 5. Okay. Is that one 4 or less? Or is that one 5 to 8? Yeah. 5 will go right here, won't it? 5 will go right there. Okay. Let's see what else I have. I have the number 1. Oh, you're getting good at this. Number 1 is going to go right there. Smart thinking. Now I have a number 8. Where does the 8 go? It's 8 or bigger. So it's going to go on this side. And then my last number, I think. Is that my last number? Yep, that's my last number. I have a 2. And a 2 is going to go down here between my 1 and my 3. Okay? So now I have all of my numbers on my chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work today, boys and girls.